Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. So today's topic is at what age we should teach our children Islam. I think you should teach your children Islam early. But what should we teach them? This is the most important question because Islam is very sensitive. You are free to disagree with me. The stories of prophets, most of them, like story of Nuh alayhi salam, or the story of Musa alayhi salam, Pharaoh, or the story of Saleh and the Shuaib alayhi salam, or the story of Lut alayhi salam, a lot of those stories are not child friendly. And the reason they are not child friendly is because we have to understand that the teacher teaches based on their students. Allah revealed these stories in the Meccan Quran because the people of Makkah were acting like the people of Nuh alayhi salam, the people of Saleh alayhi salam, people of Shuaib alayhi salam, and the people of Lut alayhi salam. So Allah warned them about their behavior and let them know, I have seen this behavior before in these people and you are acting like them, so you might ended up like them. Those were the worst enemies of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam that were being compared to previous worst enemies of prophets. And what happened with them? Our children are now being given these stories that are actually originally meant in that first context. So kids need something else. Kids need a message of how much Allah loves them, because He does. Kids need a message of a story of Adam alayhi salam. That's really important. That's probably the most important, I guess. If they know nothing else, they should just know the story of Adam alayhi salam, and they should know the story of Ibrahim alayhi salam. Also, you can skip the sacrifice part until later on, because you understand it's a child brain they can't process. But Adam alayhi salam story, we should understand it well and we should teach it well because it's important. And I guess every parent should be doing their own version to your kids. And those who are parents, I think we should learn to be theatrical, learn to be clown, learn to be an actor, learn to be a performer. When you tell a story to your child, don't tell story in the most boring and uninteresting way. And then yes, some basic manners, but please don't mention them about the punishments. Children are on their fitrah. They are closer to Jannah than you are, my brothers and sisters. Like don't tell them, if you're gonna eat that donut, Allah will be angry with you. No, He won't. He won't actually. He won't. Where did you get it? It's really not good. It's like Pharaoh. You shouldn't do it. And some people, they do so much like these things. When they get older, they are telling their daughters, if you don't have my dua, Allah will never give you anything good in your life. I mean, like imagine the parents, they say their kids like that. So the brothers and sisters, those who are listening to this, just have patience on your kids. They are test in dunya. Our children is the future of this ummah. As a parent, one of our greatest goal and the responsibilities is raising our children with the love of Allah.